I feel you better see MPP for Asamoah. When I say comedies, I feel you better MPP Asamoah. Ofori-Atta and Ayachono ewo America. Ken Ofori-Atta and yes sorry ya. Ofori-Atta na nim na hwe ne lawyer nim. Ofori-Atta lawyer die. Ofori-Atta na for war. Ofori-Atta lawyer. Ode Ofori-Atta pe odo say achieve di be say mo sankofu we o. What if Ofori-Atta na lawyer ni Frank Davis. Ope jo to China na we kusie. Akwa we. Okwa ensan ekura no ode bobo ho no oyi fufuro. De si na no nsan ekura no na oposa no oyi fufuro. Akwa we. George diplomat. Eye Tosca. Embassy 55 ena eye mumma medino. We. Onum George China we kusie. Hwe Ofori-Atta ni wo fomo. Na hwe the lawyer nanim. Messi webo. Oh, radeja go for. Client is the lawyer. Client no. Or a lawyer no. It's what you see client in the passport. Lawyer no crab in the passport. I'm a client no. Me say, who's your lawyer anymore? Now your client anymore. Say client in the person using the lawyer the passport to bet me use acron for gua. I go we kind of correct. As a lawyer for and you know every for gua now. You see, a money box, no. You see, US eyes of Aquachi money box. Now, MPP for Bawumia money box no on any Ofori-Atta. Omu we are not in the two or so good Ofori-Atta. Yachi money box no America. Now, money box no, I didn't yachi no. I couldn't yachi money box, Ofori-Atta and say, you see, money box ba Krumano, Ofori-Atta. Sikaja on the we are in the good money box no. Ofori-Atta's ICE detention not related to extradition case. Yenina yenim. Can Ofori-Atta yachino America ha and the America for say o machine na tu fiase ya hwehwe ni nsem mu no. Enka eye OSP extradition near Attorney General any America for edi ho nkomo no enka ho. Sa ekire we ya ye no no. Eye America wa betena ne nkratasem enye. Eno ano no. Otete krom ha ne nkrata anye osori a otwen ebo 6:30 na okoto pizza lord abehye dem di why say kura egawitela bi kirewo kero Ofori-Atta bete krom ha sa na yire di nkan wo Ghana ha ena ne ba no so di nkan wo Ghana na yire wo Ghana o na yire di nkan me sure say waba because odwin so obewu eye ice for the cells wo de na o ye ne say osori no the school bag abodechi. No, the headphones are shut so. No, Shakambu. Now on Pennsylvania Avenue. Oh, this year. Now I know say, oh, America small boy. Now I saw a baggy pants bisa. No, the jacket atoso. Or kwa no koto pizza. No, I thought a pancake. Already made one to be. No, I thought frozen chicken. No, I thought frozen pizza. No, I thought frozen. No, I pack go backpack. Oh, yeah, criminal. Iti besides. Get me the Ofori-Atta picture. The one you try that on street this no. It was around 222. Or try na about 6:30 emu yesum kakra da. Obeso kwa shopping. Onim se nkrata no ensi kwanso. Onim se the passport and the visa de wu. And na on eyes of 10:10. Enti do ya say otwan 6:30 emu yesum kakra no. Na or the backpack abodechi no ahye jeans to say the American boy. When you know I na or the chakata the team to say the old team obwa. No the headphones. No the shana so. Na or the backpack about the chi no asha jacket. Na I say on ante to say a guy. Ora Delia and I say ora 7-Eleven. No I talk chicken na ya the phone no tantan no ha no you for no the tissue at chire ho. Na wako why cook diet coke bi odu. Kere Ofori-Atta or you homeless. Homeless is life no the America or person who so for the passport de ne visa wu enti ingrata 70 sikeni mapa wada akatani 7-Eleven or shopping abuofuru so say enti besides if the crime ya I feel best at MPP for us about me start here thank you, Mr. S. Mr. S, thank you for the picture. Picture the day. Anything I say for no more shadow. Me picture ni. Iti you know this year no abuo funu oju say this year bantama. Introduce or this year chebi. Bibi camera sini ye adwuma no say ehwe no. Ai na aju say this year chebi onie. Iti do ye say osora no patututu a bambiem. Ken we betuti o onie ahu. No, the headphones are shana so. None the so address is a teacher. I say madam me. I saw no you or a public servant to America. Nanko phobia no way. Oh, mammy here also shakambu. None the so shakambu. Ha. Do you know? Were you white not to actually grant anti? Were you engine at to again, I wonder. In Grata 70, were you injured at Rogu? What say Kabu? Is it or him you or him was also? I'm ready to take a grass or root to be here. I or him. I say, I'm ready. In Grata 70, Bogger, you white not watching and Wakoto or call TJ Maxx and Wakoto jeans, a khaki. Or call TJ Maxx or Wakoto khaki, black one on an ere. On Besobi almost say, Nere teacher, and on also guy bia. I saw ya buying software be on DC, almost hard it. Anna, wash your headphones. Anna, why said that? What the backpack about it? No man got on the 7-Eleven Gumuno. I was your four. Omato Ota Tomo. Awuku. In terms of question, there are 2 weeks no pay and maybe more. Who says when your kidney in failure? Then, acquire surgery or bois. No, this said this year, Chebby, I will through this year, and I say for the camera, and he will do and in the camera, I pick what this year, not truck Ofori-Atta, Ghana, Chebby criminal, money box is wanted. But they didn't cheat. Camera no, I camera no, a year, you are fucking. And camera didn't capture, money box from Ghana, criminal, alert one, pick, no matter to war, Oman Kashi, no more to tell. Into Okoshima, I say, Kura. Okwari monone ori mono no ari into be frozen pizza, frozen salad, frozen den okwari we free bag na shama krovu no edi enti ice for no mo hwe no kwase ampanyi odwen se ho echebi wa bo frozen na enti se wo steady no uno dis abeka se nyon no a na yire so osori a na watwe pony ai na wahye space bi na so asje 3 quarters omotompo body your TJ Maxx the same sneakers. I form be them the same sneakers be refi I tasha pa to 27.99 toy because your form you we are better America than homeless. Oh in Grata 70 engine no watogu akwose yi Jack Chan and ordinam inti ice for no mo hwe no oni Grata ne yire no so sa ono oyeyi kakra oyo free kakra into Ghana and oye half caste I into an America omdwen so ofri eye Yugoslavia say America no ahwede mu fo no omte say na yire no onye broni o na yire no oyo free but don't say Ghana no ya tum ya te say eye po yando to ho inti obia o Ghana obi say po yando hu na say kura inti odi ne gina maami we nchen a badwen say maami we broni onye broni oyo free inti do oye ne say on America no ne eye de one Ofori-Atta nam tom just Ofori-Atta is student I okọ night classes Saturday on go shopping 7:38 hon baby 7-11 bi Pennsylvania Avenue hon omko ena omko inti da be nam ko endu achi ma America chen se okọ Ghana ba na setena fie wakoye shopping bem ya je frozen chicken, frozen pizza, frozen salad, frozen rice, frozen coke just say Mr. Frozen ya jije guda be aduane wo ho kwa hin. And I can't say boss says no okope eye frozen turkey okope frozen turkey ato and aboga tisi manwumre wa pocket we mia schoolboy ati we no mo twafa no hello sir how are you doing yes I was oh I'm good where you going oh I went for classes I say that's how I was cheche in terms of akwara and we shave fine and or the blanco alpha for fan kiwi shoe polish no or the shoe polish be alpha for about you black no and we shave into a soldier eyes for some about kakra wait hello sir how are you doing I said I'm good how are you doing good where you going I went for classes. I said, yeah. I'm doing remedial. I'm doing remedial. I'm doing remedials. And I'm saying, remedials? For what? For what? I can't dance. Yeah, we are sure. We tell me, we are sure. Now, I'm going to use my bottom. Yeah, not my jet, my bottom, more fat. Me, I'm a bottom. As I say, or some could be some papa, problem you are because Bobby, be problem you are can't tell Bobby, my bottom, me, I got some bottom, my bottom, me, as I make a serious over that. Wait. So say, where you going? So just went to classes. I went to classes. Say classes for the day. So remedials. Say, remedials? What's remedials? Oh, accountancy. But I said, but I was a small boy. Say, can you please take off a hat for identification? He said, what? It's here. 2 10 years will be free. Can take off a hat for identification. 2 take off your hat at that time. Say ice for so. The ice for the end say, I'm off a crobia ni be no ice. Yo, because I'm watching conform person. I'm watching the omo also, go out China also baba. Obusan also Italian there. Iti brony no South America di brony. Can't have a half education. As can you take off your hat for that? Ghana ni bika ice for no. Or say ja, yes to 2 chadi show him. It's better quating or can ice for no. Into brother, you know, somebody can take off a hat for education. I say, what are you saying? And that Mr. Batakwati na bufu so ka ice for no na bufu oni mu no no he wa mane papa di pewu e wa Ghana ti wadwa into nya line say Ofori-Atta say ja yes 2 chadi hwe onim tell her let's go against it I take a hellish certification na say ja ultimate 2 chadi because apempe mapa abuofu no ya che no e ja yes 2 chadi hwe onim to tell her hellish certification I take off your hat and let us see certification bro so deal it's yachino. I yachi money box. Nina and say, yesterday, crata sem nendimu, and or try say, Obefa Quine be so, a man in crata and edimu and ice of wachino. Ampo will be second review, make us my body. There's a mean quite a bedinko as a menu in my body. MPP, Ampo, as if we're true. MPP for almost what you mean about the as a menu about MPP. Enti yachi no ene yachi boga ya moano yachi ni kuya ena yede no aden yede na kwhyem na metisenkofobia argument with Joy News and the argument did not make any sense. Guy your friend say Kofi Kokukwat your friend saying akwa okaso be the president here or there low accent bi ba ya amfe Kofi Krantin ain na Kofi Krantin ado woni ma fiansa na say I say oh Kofi Krantin my fia bi oti TV so as or homeless shelter bi o say dey Kofi Krantin there dey see oba na obopa o no fine pass say dey say as wa phone bi wo dey utia yi presidential eyi ba ko pe wa phone ya be say Kofi Krantin o say dey wo betua ba ko pe wa phone he guy bi na friend Kofi Gyan o say Gyan o say dey on your friend saying guy ba ko bi oba a nice guy bi ono so betua ba ko say eyi filing fee or mem enough of all Kofi Krantin now Kobi Joy News my team we were discussing and you know Ken Ofori-Atta let me tell you what's happening I think that Ken Ofori-Atta you know hey, okay you know better and some you know Ken Ofori-Atta the hospital that he had the surgery the surgery, they were supposed to try and extend his stay from say, hey, move on from Konwa. Hospital na immigration office. Hospital na Ofori-Atta koye sa surgery immigration office. They don't have the right to extend Ofori-Atta's stay in Ghana in America. And then kwasi misinformation of the radio so any TV so kai kanu. Ya chi money box na. Mon kanche Ghana for say ya chi money box. Ken Ofori-Atta ebeye surgery. Hospital, no, they don't care about your passport and your status. So we're America, that's all person you had surgery. All that the hospital does is say, they will tell you to come in for your review. They will tell you to come in for your observation. They will observe you. Omu wi anoma chiro say asemesi. O yare na ehun kai $30,000. So insurance, maybe your insurance can take about 80% of it. But so insurance now is out of pocket, it is $80,000. All that they do is wo yare no e de hi. Now yare bia and the recovery time. So koye surgery bia, some of the surgeries no walk-in surgery. You can go into the hospital today and come home today. Surgeries ni bi wo ha. Obekọ hospital you beji wa 24 hours. Ebi wo ha 3 days, 72 hours. Near they are prepare near your surgery no. Omu wi anoma about 48 to maximum maybe there is serious gonna be a week to recover. Now sir, omu monitor for maybe 3, 4, 5 days. Now some who say, "Oh, you're okay. Complications beyond by." They will tell you to leave and go home. Now they can tell you to go home and be coming for review. Reviews are not every week. Reviews sometimes once in a month. Some people cry no. It depends. Surgery now, it could be once in 2 months. Now, can Ofori-Atta be surgery via free hospital? The hospital has nothing to do with his status. The hospital cannot write any report and say, this is our patient. He came to have a surgery here and that his passport is expiring or his visa is expiring. So, extend it for him. You are mad. The hospital has no power to instruct the U.S. Home Office to extend anybody's visa for them. No. Their job is to take care of you. If you want to extend your visa, if you want to work on your status, it is between you, your lawyer, and the immigration service. It is nothing that that conversation should not come in. The hospital, the major hospital, was supposed to extend Ken Ofori-Atta's stay. What the fuck? It's a regular hospital. And their power no more. Say, I was say, say, I was Ken Ofori-Atta's stay. Are you people, do you read at all? What kind of analysis is this? Now, Ghana radio so can kwasi asem, TV so can kwasi. Ken Ofori-Atta is in America. His status, and as a visa no, EU, and America for say, visa ne why are you here? Finito. And the Ken Ofori-Atta, the Busan say, I didn't know about it. Or catch America for eyes for say, I came to do a surgery. America does a surgery. Why you? Have you gone for your review? You can go home and come for the review. If you think your visa is about to expire, go to your home country, reapply, extend your visa at the years, and come back for the review. That's it. You are not supposed to stay in America and tell me, say, the hospital, no, they were supposed to extend Ken Ofori-Atta's stay. No hospital in America will keep a patient there. The beds are very important. You might be one of the billionaires in the world. Odu hospital, na doctor show we na says so. Now you're okay. That bed. It does not matter the amount of money you have. You need to leave. Somebody needs that bed. So always to because if you're that is America for you. Munjai radio na motesoki kam kwasi asam. The major hospital was supposed to extend Ken Ofori-Atta's stay in the hospital. Man, enough time. They have done the surgery. They have assessed him. They have reviewed him. Ken Ofori-Atta nye di paboni niya anka day now muyi no. Oba if you 2 weeks na nanko so ko Ghana ko review ko renew the visa no oba. But because he's a fugitive, because time na other hospital no na oye fugitive. So time no na oye person of interest na Interpol list no order so. The hospital didn't want to get involved. Their job as a medical facility is to treat the patient and let the patient leave. Now the patient steps out of the hospital. It is between the patient and the immigration service. They don't have anything to do with your stay. Ken Ofori-Atta ba no. Na the visa no ewu kra. The hospital will take care of Ken Ofori-Atta and discharge him. Their job is to save his life. If you taking care of him, now maybe 2 weeks, no more okay, they will discharge him. So it is not their responsibility to extend any stay at a hospital or a hotel. Is it a holding cells? The foolishness on our Ghana, on our TVs in Ghana, any radios, you know, Mumma yenja the misinformation. It is clear. Ken Ofori-Atta, he has overstayed, or his visa or his status isn't in the right right state. So the ICE people are questioning him about his stay. So obviously, why are you still here? So be surgery. Surgery no omunwiye. Say if you think say you come back for review, go back, go get a visa and come back. It is finished. Munjan kwasi asem na moka kan Ghana radio so no. Now, this is another story. I'm a person kan ho asem kakra, and it is about this guy. Nana Komia, Mrs. Nana Komia. He has hidden it, but he'll come out of the closet. He's still in the closet. ICE, we want our father back home, please. We want Jesus, the money box. Give us our money box. ICE, give us our money box. We want our money box back home. We need the money box. Now, Mrs. Nana Komia so akasa and Gyan Oka. Or see, NPP knew we had no chance against Mahama in 2024 elections. Asamoah, so ya badwumba na undi mnyansa na udi MPP echia. I was saying ya or resign free MPP nimu. Because anke Bawutuo kun senka sebio ya atake kun 2024 elections anke Nana Komia ne Bawumia mu ne kun tie asema Nana Komia ka say na omunim say Mahama be wini against Bawumia no omunim so be lose elections no, but what they did is they gave their people false hope. They gave them fake hope. They made them believe say Bawumia stood a chance against Mahama. And then on I can say, oh, near him say Bawumia be lose. Yet him say Bawumia on to me fan on to Bahama. Eba nyansani election. Near him say Bawumia be lose. Nanso, ye him say ye call for the Jiminti. Into 2024 ye Bawutua and kakwasi ampenyi we kwame kunwa to actually. Ye catch them say they knew they were going to lose the elections. They knew Bawumia was going to lose miserably. They knew Bawumia was not even going to cross 35%. Men na make sure Bawumia 38 no nya, they are even shocked say Bawumia 38. The MPP leadership, Mahmoud Bawumia 38% no nya no, they are still shocked to say Bawumia 38. They were looking at 33, 35. So for him to even say this today to Wuna Oya polling agent, Oya MPP grassroots sa krantie, eh? Say grassroots. MPP grassroots. Mumbai ejma omo refer grassroots. Omo humu samu ya nkrantie mo nambanjiaze. Yaka say grassroots mo te say nkrantie. Intino mo pese mo MPP grassroots no. They wanted the grassroots to go and die. Nana Komia election day not Accra. Mrs. Nana Komia na oten crying. He knew Bawumia was going to lose. But one kind of grand this same person was giving them false hope and telling them, we are going to win. But the most important thing is Nana Komia can say for Bawumia about Bawumia handling the economy. Now, Mumia go tie Asamoah Nana Komia kan muntie ni pa. I want about some kofo yo omuso omo Jimmy omunyina wabodam.
Bawumia was he in charge of the economy? The macro economy. Was he in charge? Or my Hinuchi said Bawumia was in charge. Only had a finance minister appointed a crew of about 14 people to manage the city. It's okay. Any pay be a mukasa Sami and no man a deep parliament for him to demand the resignation of the finance minister because of the economy. NDC for a muka party who were on a move motion of censure of parliament to remove the finance minister because of the economy. It is about me in charge of the economy. I don't know this Obama finance minister. I don't know any penny be a normally Bawumia preno. Only the MPs. See any finance minister Ofori-Atta in free hub because economy.
This is the problem. Very diabolic sycophants. The one is a Tarzan. Asamoah Oka. Oh, was Bawumia in charge of the economy? The question of Obusa, I don't know. The microeconomy. I say Inti mo person which said Bawumia was in charge of the economy. Inti Bawumia kasi nani row abani mune dieng. Because at this point Bawumia was not in charge of everything, anything. Inti say Bawumia dey pan or yeah. Yaka say ejuma also Bawumia was not in charge. Yaka say corruption I say Bawumia knew nothing. Yaka say e-levy also Bawumia knew nothing. Yaka say NAPCO Bawumia knew nothing. Yaka say Kufuor the way by. Say see no economy ni so most Bawumia wasn't in charge. Inti Bawumia kasi nani row ni there. Dey na oye. What was Bawumia's role in the Kufuor administration for 8 years? Because you are telling me, oh, I know because some refuse, me so much so much Jimmy, no bodam. Now, Bawumia is not in charge of anything. So, the engineer so emphasis about Bawumia to match Ghana and to lead the MPP. He needs to tell us what he did, whatever he was in charge of. Tell us what Bawumia was in charge of. Because you are telling us, say, one, Yasima Ahmadu Bawumia, or no, he wasn't in charge of the economy. You are asking us, was Bawumia in charge? From your explanation, he wasn't in charge. We get it. Cool. Mr. Akomia, Mrs. Akomia. We get it. Secondly, the same Mahmoud Bawumia said he was not in charge of the NABCO. Bawumia says he wasn't in charge of the e-levy. Bawumia says he wasn't in charge of the dollar exchange rate. He wasn't in charge. Mahmoud Bawumia said he wasn't in charge of the economic management team. He says he wasn't the leader. The same Bawumia must say he wasn't in charge of the FX committee. 80,000, Mrs. Akomia. The question here is, Mum Chede Bawumia was in charge or you better woman for assessing. Because every day, Bawumia is not in charge of anything. Every single day, Bawumia, he's not in charge of this. Okawia, he's not in charge of it. Akwa saw the 33 policies by. Inti Roben will play no what 33 policies no. Aina muda mujunso ansana madarasa muda ansana majunso. Aina me besemi because it does not make any sense. Bawumia does not want to take credit, blame for anything. You are asking us, was Bawumia in charge of the economy? Because at a point, yet TBBF and FX committee, now Bawumia and Kahun, he wasn't in charge of the economy. At a point, now Ofori say, Ofori-Atta, yen change no, inti Ofori can say Bawumia was not in charge of anything. Yatna Momka just say e-levy. I better Ghana for no, Bawumia did not know anything about it. You same people are telling us, say dollar exchange rate, Bawumia is not the one who was managing the exchange rate until he's not in charge. So what was Bawumia in charge of? On some way, Jimmy. It's about time you made the guy step up and take blame for the things he basically lied about. Until Bawumia takes blame and be shown and kicked out of Ghana politics, the MPP will never survive. You people cannot tell him in the face and say, it is because of your incompetence. We were here when Mahmoud Bawumia told us that he has logged the dollar. Wankasa Santehine has logged it. Wankasa me papa Okaka Bin Ando has logged it. Wankasa Ekufuado has logged the dollar. Wankasa Ghana penyini bi na alloke dollar no ediki no egu ni botomo. Or say, I have logged it. Fast forward, yebedru na akwei pe president dia. You are telling us he wasn't responsible for anything. Now, if Bawumia for 8 years wasn't responsible for anything, why should anybody hand over Ghana to Bawumia? Because then he lacks experience. Then there's no track record that we can base on to say this guy qualifies to be the president of Ghana or even to lead the MPP. Because you need to come with something in your hand. You need to prove. You need to come with a resume that is reliable enough that we can base on and say, okay, from that, with this experience, we can give you the nod to lead MPP and to lead Ghana. But for 8 years, Akwa we pay, Akwa we a vice president, Akwa we a press conference, Akwa claiming your bebre. You people are still telling us he wasn't in charge of anything. So, at the end, the engineers won't find you Bawumia as a president. We are waiting for Bawumia to come out and tell us what he was in charge of as a vice president to a tortoise. Because at this point, we don't know what he was in charge of. Now, we don't know the resume. We don't know Bawumia's resume. Economy, I must say he wasn't in charge. Intesia was in charge of what? Employment, he wasn't in charge. Galam say he wasn't in charge. For 8 years, if the guy cannot tell us what he was in charge of, then what experience does he bring on board? What does he bring? What does he bring? He also could empty resume to second in Japan. We want somebody with, because John Mahama Eba 2024, no, we picked his resume and told Ghanaians, Mahama was in charge of this. he was in charge of that, he was in charge of this. This one didn't go well. He took their responsibility and said, "Wait, it could have been done better. I was in charge. This was done right. I'm in charge." This John Mahama made us know. Baby also take blame, no, blame, no. Baby also try say work was done perfectly. He told us. But he's not telling us where and what he was in charge of, but he wants to lead. Lead with what? Huh? He is to lead. Bawumia needs to come out and tell us what in the Kufuor administration 8 years now, what was he in charge of? Ordinary Juman saying, what was Bawumia's role? The role is saying, from what you are saying, Anakumia, say it was Bawumia in charge of the economy, and that was he in charge of Gyan, FS committee was not there. We want to ask him, or China campaigner, Omagana for what he was in charge of. Can you Japan ask him? Bawumia say, so 8 years he was in charge of what? Gyan and now in charge of. Yeah, but see who the resume. Momo Bodam. Now, look at something. You say, Nipa 118.
Ghana, a peaceful country and a beacon of democracy in its fourth republic, has had violent free elections and transitioned power peacefully without any unrest or civil strife. This has become effortlessly possible because of the peace-loving leaders Ghanaians have successfully elected to lead them. President Kufuor in 2007 perfectly described the attributes of the type of person to lead Ghanaians at all times.
So anybody who is always full of tension and fighting and that sort of thing, we have to be careful about. Whether when the power is given to this person to lead us, he's the type with the experience and with all due respect, the wisdom to be able to keep the country united, to secure the...
Sorry, Jack. I can't say I'm not trying. Now, some 118 non-MP NPP TA. Say some 118 non-MP NPP 2024 parliamentary candidates endorsed Dr. Bawumia ahead of 31st January presidential primary. Mama kind of church before. Yes, some 118 non-MP NPP 2024 parliamentary candidates endorsed Dr. Bawumia ahead of the 31st January presidential primaries. Yes, non-NP NPP 2024 parliamentary candidate. What do you say? Yes, 118 failures. They have endorsed a failure. You see, 118 failures, political failures. They have endorsed a failure. Sanipa 118 no. Omu nyina no mo hye Bawumia se no person kom parliament. Omu nyina awe. Enti arefo. Omu awe a ye po omu a because omu tire wu. Ebi ya kromfo ye wifo a omu nsese omu bedi ni pe ni mo amko contest for MP omu nyina awe no.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahin, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas.